English Plus is a program where people come and do one of our English programs, and then in addition to that, they have the Plus. They get to do workshops or lectures in a specific topic area. And so they get a little bit more of just an English experience. They get to learn more about the industry they're going into. The purpose is to learn English. That's the primary focus. But in addition to that, you want to learn or be exposed to English in your field, perhaps because you're in an area that's very internationalized. Perhaps you're interested in cross-cultural communication and learning so that you want to see what experts here in the field are doing. It could also be just personal interest to expand your own knowledge base to apply it to your job when you go back home.
Here you can just speak in English, and that's the best way to learn and improve your English, I think, because you need to speak in English. There's no other way to communicate, so I think the UVic, it's a very good place to stay, very good place to study, because you can feel confident with them, and that's so good for us.
One thing I think people might assume is that they have to be an expert language speaker or an expert in the field that the Plus is in. And I don't think that's the case at all. It's all about learning, right? Anytime you can have a community of practice where you have professionals who have been through the same experience and talking about the same thing, it's a very powerful tool, particularly if you're in the workforce and looking to improve your practice or your job. And it's a wonderful thing.
I think this program will change your kind of life, I think. Yeah, really, I think it's a life-changing program, I think, because in your countries, you can learn a lot of things too, but here, there are a lot of various activities and also programs here, and you can learn how to get confidence in speaking English, so I really recommend it. Yeah.
I am studying engineering is industrial, and also I work as a CNC programmer. So when I went to the engineering building, I also speak with a student from UVic, from the engineering career. We have a talk as what do you do, what could you do in this engineering, and do you like it? And he told me that it's a very amazing experience because he's a student at UVic, and also he's a student like the same that I do in Mexico. And I think it's very beautiful to have this experience with another person in another country, but you can talk about the same topic. This experience will change your life. You need to do it. You must do it because you can see what is happening around the world. You can meet a lot of people here and also from other countries. Canada is a multiculturalism country, so you can meet a lot of people. So absolutely you need to take this experience in your life. It will change everything in your life.